today I'm going to share with you a quick, easy breakfast item that is filled with fiber. One of my subscribers would have disclosed to me that they were diagnosed with pre-diabetes and wanted me to share a breakfast item with them. So today we're going to show you how to make veggie egg scramble. Let's go over the ingredients. We have 1/4 of a white onion chopped and 1/4 of a red sweet pepper chopped. If you have a green or yellow sweet pepper, it doesn't matter, just once it's one of the colored sweet peppers. We have 1 bunch of broccoli chopped finely. We have 2 leaves of kale. If you don't have kale, you can also use spinach. We have 1/4 of a small carrot chopped finely. 1/4 of a small tomato chopped. Pinch of salt, pinch of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 eggs. Our first step is to saute our vegetables. Now, broccoli and carrots take a little longer to cook. We're not going to cook them completely. We're going to just saute them because we want them to still maintain that crunch. Then we'll add all the other ingredients. Broccoli, carrots, and allow these ones to saute for about a minute. Now we're going to add our onion and sweet pepper. It's going to just increase not just the nutritional value but the flavor. We're going to add our kale. All of these ingredients are great for fiber, and whenever you are challenged with high blood sugars, using ingredients that increases the fiber is always recommended. I'm going to add a bit of salt and black pepper, and then we're going to prepare our egg. Turn the stove down, then I'm going to just gently whisk the egg with a fork. You may also use a whisk, and we're going to pour it over our vegetables and scramble. This is perfect if you are trying to increase your fiber intake. Now we're going to pour all of that egg in and scramble. The beautiful colors, orange and green, always make a great backdrop. And finally, we're going to add our fresh tomato. We don't want the tomato to become too soft, so we add it in at the very end. This smells amazing, it looks great, and it is done. Now it's time to taste. Quick, easy, delicious, and nutritious. Now to grab a bite. We want to get everything, the kale, the carrots, the broccoli, and taste. So good, absolutely so good, and filled with fiber. Now if you are looking for a breakfast item where you are going to get lots of fiber and very low carbs, I highly recommend trying this recipe. Veggie egg scramble. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I want you to look over here and see some of my other recipes. And once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.